Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to add Moringa powder to your diet. Moringa is a superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering numerous health benefits. To begin, it's best to start with a small amount, typically 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day. This allows your body to adjust to its potent effects. You can gradually increase your intake over time as you feel comfortable. Incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine is surprisingly easy. One popular method is to blend it into your favorite morning smoothie or juice, masking its earthy flavor. You can also simply stir 1/2 to 1 teaspoon into yogurt, oatmeal, or even applesauce for a quick nutritional upgrade. For a savory option, try sprinkling it over salads or soups just before serving. Beyond the basics, Moringa powder can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Try mixing it into homemade energy balls or protein bars for a healthy snack. It also works wonderfully when incorporated into salad dressings, pestos, or other sauces, adding a vibrant green color and a nutritional boost. For a subtle addition, you can even bake Moringa powder into muffins, bread, or pancakes. To truly reap the rewards of Moringa, consistency is paramount. Make it a regular part of your diet, even if it's just a small amount daily. Proper storage is also crucial. Keep your Moringa powder in a cool, dark, and airtight container to preserve its potency and freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.